Hello! This is a video of me repairing my Hornet. As you can see, the tires, they're different. That's because I had it on a carpet track. Whoops, I had it on a carpet track. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. And at the track, I believe, is that my rear differential axle housing had cracked, as you can see here. As you can see, it was not in great shape to begin with. I got these screws with nuts sandwiching pieces together, so it could have been weak before it broke. Anyway, I'm going to be replacing this with a new axle housing I have, but there is some differences. It's because the one I have is a grasshopper rear housing. Here it is. Yeah, there's the part number. By the way, this is a voiceover. So yeah, there are some differences. Here's a Hornet rear, which I will not be installing because this one's got some damage as well. But you can see the webbing on the axle tubes is a little bit different. They kind of got a little bit more mass or height and thickness or something like that. So therefore, it's a stronger unit. Here's a grasshopper for comparison, but lighting in this video is not so great. Anyway, I'm gonna cut right here. We're gonna get right to disassembly. Alright, here is the rear axle. Now here I am, undoing the screws. I think I'm just gonna fast forward this. There we go. All apart. Well, not exactly yet. So, when you do get it apart, you want to inspect the gears. Make sure there's no chips or missing teeth or ground down teeth. Everything in here looked pretty dang good. Even the grease was still on the gears, so I reused the grease. Even though it's a little bit hard to see in the video, there is grease on the gears. Even my ball bearings are good. Take a look at that. Oh boy, what a crack. Anyway, here's the new part sprue with the new axle housing. Make sure you grind down these little tabs when you cut them off the sprue, or else things won't fit right. You pop all the bearings in. Pretty much assembly is reverse disassembly. Just put everything together, put the axles in. I highly recommend ball bearings. If it's something that's not gonna live on a shelf for its whole life, I recommend using ball bearings. don't even think of using the bushings. Well, there's certain situations you can use the bushings. But if you can get a ball bearing set, get it. My little counter gear here did not have bearings in it. But thankfully, I had some spares lying around. Now, gotta make sure this goes together right. Everything has to line up. If it doesn't line up, the case won't close. You know, if it don't feel right, just take your time and look at what's going on. Right? It's either going to be right or it's not. Let's see, one more time. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Make sure everything fits. Wonderful. There we go. Back together. Sorry for the poor camera view.